some instances you will find that your file menu or open window is disappearing when you try to open a window. For example, you're going to open a new drawing. Instead of a opening a new window, you will get a command like this. In the command bar also you get this. So you have to type the command, type the location to get into that, open that file. It will happen to open new drawing or new template also. It will show the path, or we have to type the path to get to the correct location. But this is very annoying when you do design or drafting. So how to resolve this? Type FILEDIA on your command line. Then the value is 0 at the moment. You have to change it to 1. Once you change it to 1, the problem will be solved. Then you can see the menus open like normal. Here you can see it open as normal.